Welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're tuning in today because we're going to unpack one of the most exciting, fast-moving technologies shaping our world right now, artificial intelligence. It's fundamentally changing how we work, how we learn, how we communicate, even how we create art and music. But, with all the buzz and hype surrounding it, it can be kind of tough to separate fact from fiction. Well, that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to pull back the curtain, make the whole thing completely digestible, and show you how you can actually use it to your advantage.
So let me ask you something. When you hear the term AI, do you immediately picture, walking, talking sci-fi robots taking over some futuristic city? It's a super common image, but I want to challenge that trope right out of the gate. Are you already using AI without even realizing it? Are you unknowingly interacting with complex machine learning algorithms every single day? Keep that question in the back of your mind as we go through this, because the answer might completely surprise you. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our structured 5-part roadmap for today. 1. What is artificial intelligence? 2. Everyday AI and its benefits. 3. The ultimate AI toolkit. 4. AI for students and business. And 5. Challenges and the future. Section 1. What is artificial intelligence? Understanding the core concept behind the buzzword. Right, let's start with the foundation. By definition, artificial intelligence is the ability of computers and software to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, like learning and solving problems. It's essentially technology that mimics our own human capabilities. We're talking about machines that can understand the nuance of human language, systems that can recognize images, programs making incredibly accurate predictions, and most importantly, software that can actually learn directly from data. And this brilliantly illustrates the real difference here. You see, traditional software operates on fixed, rigid instructions. You tell it exactly what to do step by step, and it does exactly that, nothing more. But AI systems, they operate entirely differently. They actually improve over time by learning from patterns and data. Just like a human gets better at a task with practice, AI becomes more powerful and more accurate the more data it processes. That ability to learn is the true secret sauce behind its power. Section 2. Everyday AI and its benefits. The reality check on how AI is already helping you. Remember that question from earlier? Well, you might be surprised to learn you're already engaging with AI constantly. It's literally in the voice assistants checking your weather, the spam filtering keeping your inbox clean, and the maps routing you around traffic. From real-time language translation and personalized video recommendations to unlocking your phone with your face, chatting with customer service bots, and controlling smart home devices, AI is already seamlessly integrated into our daily routines, quietly making everything just a bit more helpful. But beyond just convenience, AI offers some massive macro-level benefits that empower everyone. It saves an immense amount of time by automating repetitive tasks, which drastically increases human productivity. Think faster writing or way more efficient coding. This rapid data analysis also improves our decision-making. In education, it allows for personalized learning customized to a student's unique needs, while over in healthcare, doctors are literally using it right now for early disease detection. It even acts as a creative co-pilot, helping users generate breathtaking images, music, and video. It's a real game changer. Section 3. The Ultimate AI Toolkit. The best free and paid applications available today. Now, what's really interesting about this is you don't need a massive budget to access cutting-edge tech. You literally just need an internet connection. Look at all these free powerhouse tools. For writing and brainstorming, ChatGPT is incredible. Microsoft Copilot is absolutely fantastic for standard office productivity. If you're doing heavy research, Google Gemini and Perplexity AI act as powerful cited search engines. For visual needs, Canva AI handles graphic design effortlessly, and Notebook LM is brilliant for summarizing dense documents into study guides. The sheer accessibility here is just unprecedented. Now, as professionals and businesses scale up, they can unlock massive horsepower through paid tiers. For advanced models, ChatGPT Plus and Claude Pro can handle incredibly long documents and complex logic. And speaking of logic, software developers get a huge efficiency boost from GitHub Copilot. For visual creatives, the leap is astonishing. Midjourney produces mind-blowing AI artwork, Adobe Firefly handles commercial images, Jasper AI churns out marketing copy, and Runway is absolutely transforming video editing and VFX. Section 4. AI for students and business. Actionable applications for learning and enterprise. For students, AI acts like a 24/7 personalized tutor. Whether you need to grasp difficult subjects, practice complex math, learn programming, summarize textbooks or presentations, or just improve your writing and generate study notes, the tools are right there. But a vital principle must be remembered here.
AI should absolutely be used to support learning and comprehension, not just as a shortcut to copy answers. Human understanding has to remain at the center of it all.
Switching gears to the enterprise side, businesses are deploying AI across virtually all departments. It's powering 24/7 customer support, streamlining human resources, and delivering highly targeted marketing. Behind the scenes, rapid data analysis is driving incredibly accurate sales forecasting and financial reporting. By bringing AI into this wider ecosystem, companies are drastically reducing operational costs while simultaneously improving the overall customer experience.
Section 5. Challenges and the future. The catch, the concerns, and what comes next.
Of course, while the advantages are immense, integrating this technology comes with some very real, practical hurdles. Keeping personal privacy and data security intact is a major priority. There are also ongoing efforts to iron out bias in AI systems and curb misinformation. Plus, the industry is actively working through complex copyright issues regarding AI-generated content, alongside the very real economic reality of job displacement in certain industries as specific tasks become automated. Responsible and ethical development is absolutely critical here. So, the crucial point is summarized perfectly right here. Rather than replacing people entirely, AI is expected to work alongside humans, helping them become more productive and creative. Despite the challenges, experts project a future where AI continues transforming critical industries like agriculture, engineering, finance, and education. The consensus is clear. AI is not a standalone replacement for human ingenuity. It's a collaborative tool designed to elevate what we are already capable of doing. Let's move to and see how this builds into an action plan for you today. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a teacher, or a student, learning to use AI opens doors. Here's a simple 3-step roadmap. Step 1. Start with the free AI tools and just get your hands dirty. Step 2. Explore their features and use them responsibly. And Step 3. As your skills develop and your needs grow, consider those paid tools for the advanced capabilities. Artificial intelligence is undoubtedly one of the most important technologies of our home. It is here, it's embedded in our daily lives, and it's evolving at lightning speed. So I'll leave you with this final provocative thought. Will you take the steps to let AI work alongside you, enhancing your own creativity and productivity? Or will you ignore the shift and risk being left behind? The tools are out there waiting for you. Stay curious, keep learning, and start your own AI journey today.